Hi there, YouTube. My name is Hilary Hill, and I'm new to the scene, but I think you're gonna wanna remember me because I'm gonna have a lot of good business tips and business advice, marketing and sales and things like that. All right, so go ahead and subscribe to this channel. This is my first video, really. This is just me introducing myself. I'm 34 years old. I live in Florida. I have 4 kids, and I have a husband I've been married to for 13 years. We homeschool. We've always really homeschooled. But what my passion is to help women, especially, find what they're passionate about and turn it into profits. Find what you're passionate about and turn it into profits. Now, how do you do that? There are several ways to do it, actually, and I'm going to go over several of them on my page, on my YouTube channel. But after you find what you're passionate about, think about what you're good at. What are you good at? What are your friends and family, what do they tell you that you're good at? Is it writing? Is it listening? Is it you're really good at figuring out complex problems? Are you really good at your work? Do you get a lot of pats on the back by your boss? What are you good at? And then think about what do you have skills in? What do you have skills in that I don't know, whether it's something that you learned at work, right? Whether it's running a business, whether it's anything that can make somebody healthier, wealthier, or better at relationships. Are you good at one of those things? Okay, because those are the things you have to remember when it comes to making and creating a sustainable, profitable, fun, exciting online business. You find something you're passionate about. Then you find something that you're skilled with. And after you do that, you need to find your people. Where are your people? Who are your people? Who can you speak to the most? Who speaks to you the most? More than likely, that person's gonna be just like you, right? Are you a mom? Can you speak to other moms, other busy moms, working moms? Are you a mom of 10 kids and you can speak to moms of other large families? Are you a doctor and you know that language, right? Doctors have their own language. Dentists have their own language. Moms have their own language. Men cannot speak into women's lives the way that women can. And that's just the truth of it, right? So what you have to do is find what you're good at, find what you're passionate about, find your people, and then see how you can make your people healthier, wealthier, or better at relationships. If you can do that, you can make as much money as you want. And in my next video, I'm going to show you how does that work. All right, better stick around. Again, like and subscribe.